Happy New Year 2026, everyone, and welcome to IQ Coding House. And in this video, I am sharing what I would actually do if I were starting my coding journey in 2026. And it actually like no hype or no fake motivation. So based on actually in my real experience, real mistakes, and what the industry really wants. So don't skip this video and just keep watching. So what you need to stop just right from the very beginning of 2026. It actually don't chase every new framework, uh, okay, and don't watch tutorials without building. I mean, without building something. Just keep watching tutorial and tutorial and tutorial, and also don't compare your day one with someone's year five. I mean, you can compare like you're let's say like you are the very like the very fresher or very vegan, or then if you compare with yourselves with an experience 5 years experience guy, then you will definitely get frustrated. So don't compare your day one with someone's year five, which is you should not do. And also don't rely on AI without understanding basics. I mean, if you always rely on AI, then like your basics will be very very weak, and your basic will not be that much strong from for like for going forward. So you don't need to rely on AI for everything and without understanding anything. So AI can actually help you code faster, but if you don't understand logic, then AI actually won't save your career or your life. Well, so what I would learn first, it actually the programming basics. I mean, logic, loops, conditions. So that's the thing I would learn first, and also one main language. I mean, you don't need to focus on every language. So what I would learn first, I would learn a main language. It can be either JavaScript, Python, or it can be Java. And also Git and GitHub, like that is non-negotiable in 2026. So if you are don't using, or if you don't use to any Git version libraries, then it's actually non-negotiable. Like you need to use Git and GitHub. And also you need to even for backend developer, I think you need to learn HTML CSS. So sometimes backend developer think that they don't need to learn HTML CSS or JavaScript, but actually going forward, like when they build their career, when they are getting experience, then it actually matters. Because in real world, everyone looking for full stack engineer or full stack developer. So you though you are strong at backend, but at least you need to have a very basic understanding about the front end fundamentals. So that's the another thing I would recommend. And how AI should be used, so that is the important thing. Why this is the important thing? Because like there is AI revolution nowadays, right? So 2026 will be a great AI revelation for everyone, for every aspect. So you need to use AI tool. You need to use AI as a tool. I mean, not a shortcut. And use AI to explain code. You need to debug faster, improve readability. Never copy paste blindly. So that is the last point is more important, because if you just blindly copy paste someone's code, or it can be now AI code, then actually you learn nothing. So there is no value at all. So you don't need to never copy paste blindly. As a yeah, use like AI as a senior developer. Like I mean, you are a senior developer and you can instruct AI to do your job. So just keep in mind. And also you need to project first learning. I mean, you don't need to as I earlier said that if you just watching tutorial just one by one, then and if you build nothing, then actually you actually eventually are not able to learn anything. So you need to focus on like project first learning. So instead of 10 courses watching tutorials, you can build a 3 to 4 real projects. And you can just do a cloud application, authentication system, a small real world application, push everything to GitHub. And that I earlier said that you need to have a better understanding about Git and GitHub. and there are others like the Git versions, like Git versions framework available. And also you need to write readme properly, so that after 1 year or 2 years, if someone read your code, they can easily understand what you actually build. Well, so how I would prepare for a job in 2026? So I should learn problem solving basics and understand how things work, not just how to use them. So that is the most important thing. You need to learn how things works actually. Otherwise, as I earlier said, like your basics will not be built up. So you need to also build a clean portfolio. It's not like very scattered or something is missing. So those kind of portfolio, like ignored by the recruiter. So you need to build a clean portfolio, and you need to learn to explain your code very clearly. Well, so the final advice for 2026, like 2026 is not about being the smartest developer, it's about being consistent. And you know that being consistent is more important than being smart or anything else. If you like, I have seen many smart developer who are actually not consistent, and they are actually not able to grow. So you need to be consistent. So that is the final advice for you. And are you starting coding in 2026? Then please let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe IQ Coding House for honest coding advice. And again, happy new year everyone. Good luck.